Buddy's walking, Naru. Oh, so cute. No, don't go gone. Buddy's gone. How sad. Naru, Buddy gone? Huh? Buddy's gone. Buddy flew away. Morning. Welcome to our Friday Family Day vlog. So today we're just going to vlog about the simple things that we do. It's our weekend here in Dubai and Talia is going to help me make some nice healthy breakfast. What are we making?
We are making idli.
Idli.
And if you don't see that mat, it's okay. But we're also drawing because today is Friday!
Already kept things ready for our chutney because without chutney there is no idli. So Talia is going to help me make the idlis, right? And we are going to show you our idli batter. This is our big idli tandoor. Can you see it? Yeah. So we make idlis in this.
What are these? Ginger and what are these leaves?
Curry patta.
Curry patta and sugar, right?
Yeah.
A little bit, just a pinch. Just 1 teaspoon. No, not even 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon.
You don't need a lot of water if you have tandoor, just very little water.
But if you don't have tandoor, then use a lot of water. Just do few more. It's almost done. So make sure you're also not filling too much, otherwise your idli will come out. That is a very bad sign. So how many
Atalia is leaving for a piano practice. This naughty girl, my naughty girl, small baby girl, cuckoo baby girl, chunu baby girl. Breakfast is getting ready. Atalia is practicing her piano. Very nice. Our classes will start anytime soon. Okay, so I'm gonna go and my little one made potty. Potty doll. The potty doll. You made potty? You made potty? Come, we clean. Mama clean you. Come. Come. Let's go, Potty. Naru, let's go. Come. Where are you running? I catch you now. I catch you.
Finish. In this one, what I'll do is.
She went running to her dad. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Atalia is eating her breakfast. Finally, she's eating the idli chutney that she made. Look how yum this looks, right? I mean,
I think it's
just look at the color of the chutney and the idli. It's so amazing. I want to tell you one thing that I do because of which I can drink water during this whole cycle of my exercise and routine and diet. I usually don't like drinking a lot of water, but I have to drink during this detox 3 days. So this is one thing that I do, and that is I infuse my water with cucumber, lemon and ginger. So I do this every morning. Today I got a little late because it's Friday and the kids are all up and everything is chaotic, so it got late. But usually I do this early morning and I keep that ready. So I will also share it in my workout vlogs when I'm doing my workout vlog. Today I won't be uploading my workout vlog. I'm just going to do the Friday family vlog because it's family time.
Hey guys, today
So-
we have a whole awesome day. We are better than last time's pool day. Today's almost like a pool, but with sand. We're going to the beach.
Today is
What is
really a happening day. Stay tuned, watch the entire video. It's really fun family day for us.
Look at this selfie stick, the new one we just bought. It's like really tall. It's taller than the other one. It can even go taller, but it's locked. I think if you see there's one more layer that can go. I think there's 4 layers, right? 4 layers which can stretch. The other one had only 2 layers. It can only stretch this much. This one gets it this much. And if you see...
But
that
right
the-
now I'm using this selfie stick. I'll show you which selfie stick. This selfie stick. This selfie. So today is a Friday vlog and we have a special guest. So even though it is my weekend, I am not going to stop my exercising, and I'm going to continue my third day of my exercise routine, my workout routine. But I'm just going to share with you not the entire vlog, because this is not my workout vlog, but just a glimpse of my warm up and things like that. So I have two assistants, Miss Atalia and Miss Naraya, who is going to keep interrupting us, but please don't mind. So let's start with our jumping jacks and squats. I'm gonna do my stretching and then I'm done. So it's that time of the day when we're leaving the house. So we're going to the mall right now, and the kids are super excited, and I am super excited too, because A, I'm going to get my dumbbells. 2, we might just have some coffee or something in the mall. Look at my babies, they are all ready. Look at her, they're dancing. Naraya, are you wearing a mask? Show me a mask, Naraya. So Naraya is all excited. She knows she's going out, so she's wearing a mask. Hello, Cuckoo. Naru, Nalu, Shanu. Atu, look here. So what's up?
Okay, it's here.
What's up, yo?
Okay.
So I'm so excited to also go to the beach, and we're also gonna get my ice cream and donuts.
See my Gunju. We reached the mall. Now we are getting inside. Gunju, where's your mask? See my baby. Baby, where's your mask? Look at the other one there. So we are all having our... we're waiting for our... Tell me, what are you having?
Brownie, a little chocolate bar, and another chocolate bar.
So basically you're just having chocolate
And then an ice cream.
and ice cream. Cookie. For my cookie, I bought a cookie. Look at these guys enjoying. Oh my god, look at Atalia. And this is Naraya's. But they all can have. What's Jason having? Jason, what are you having?
Having none of your business.
Ah, that's a nice drink. But once you're married, you can't have the drink. And mom's having latte. It's a decaf coffee with almond milk. Enjoying our time at the cafe. So we'll see you guys later. I'm not eating any of that. Okay? Don't worry. I'm not eating the sweets. Nothing. My diet is still on. I picked up, what do you mean I'm going live? So I picked up this SPF sunscreen for the kids. So unfortunately I didn't get my dumbbells in this mall, but since we're going to the beach, I got this, I don't know if you can see it, Bioderma sunscreen for the kids. It's SPF 50, and this one is a very good one because it is for a delicate skin, and it's also it's not like a lotion which is too sticky. It's like a foam based, it's like a spray, so it's very good. So I picked this one and it was on offer, so we got lucky and we got 2 of these. But now we are heading to the beach, and on the way, if we get a sports shop, then we'll stop for my dumbbells. So see, look. Naru.
So guys, we're going.
Yeah, Dada is here. Go with Dada.
Yeah.
Dada. 1, 2, 3.
So we're all walking into the sun.
We finally made it to the beach, and that's our beach in Dubai. Atalia's enjoying. No, Atalia?
Yeah, but if there were no ants, I would have enjoyed even more.
There's one.
But unfortunately, they weren't here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the waves. Honestly, the weather is not that bad. The weather is not that bad. It's amazing actually. And the kids are enjoying. Kale is making a sand castle, but why not sitting and making? Sit and make.
No.
Sit down and make.
Oh,
Atalia,
yeah.
look here.
So we're making a sand castle.
Mom is doing her walk at the beach. Look how beautiful Dubai is. So beautiful. And with the beach, guys. Naraya is with me eating her chips. She's kind of hungry now.
It's so much fun, guys. It was so much fun. Like there were like so big waves. It came into my eyes and nose, and I was like, it burns a lot. And then I was like so scared because like it was like she's so small, right? And they were just pushing her forward, and she's like, what on earth is this thing pushing me? It's happening 1,000 times. And then like I think we spent 1 hour, right?
Yeah.
More than 1 hour, I think 1.5.
1 hour we took to change you people's clothes only. So guys, we really had an awesome time. I'm sweating because it's really hot outside. Give her the chips.
Okay. Wait, I'm checking a
Keep
bit.
passing to her also. So guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here. I don't know how clear you can see me, but
Because it's really dark right now.
yeah. So I'm gonna end my vlog here, and our weekend was super fun. I enjoyed with my family and
Oh, the
lots
light is
of
on.
love. And I thank you. See you on our next Friday vlog, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. But please also watch my workout series. They are really interesting, and I'll be putting up twice a week. So guys, please share those videos as well. It's very motivating to all the women around. And I love you guys. Keep watching us. Ciao.
Ciao.
Mom, say ciao.
Turn off the AC at the back. Huh?
Say ciao.
They've dried their hair.
Say ciao. Let me say ciao.
Ciao.